What is the biggest reason behind the speed of Tesla Giga Berlin? Do you guys know? Yesterday when I published a report about Tesla setting a record with Giga Berlin speed, others in Germany may want to follow, you gave me lots of good comments. And in one of your comments, username 68Jaguar420G sent me a good comment talking about the biggest reason behind the speed of Tesla Giga Berlin. He says, I think that the biggest reason behind the speed of Giga Berlin in the local bureaucratic environment is that Tesla was willing to proceed at risk. And by willingness to proceed at risk, is the preliminary approvals. Tesla didn't wait until the final approval will come, for which it's waiting right now. But, got little preliminary approval and build it. Got another preliminary approval and build the Gigafactory. And this all came with a big risk that if the final permit didn't come, Tesla was going to tear down everything and even plant the forest back. And for that, Tesla in the beginning, if you remember my earlier reports, had deposited 100 million euros. So Tesla was willing to proceed with Giga Berlin at risk. This is why the company was built in such a fast time. Very few companies, the user says, are willing to do this, even on a much smaller scale. Hence why Tesla's project has proceeded with minimal wait time between announcement of the Giga Berlin project and commencement of Giga Berlin's construction. Tesla sees a product market of sufficient size and value to justify this risk, but there will be few others that can identify such a market. Some of that time saving is now being lost, sadly, waiting for the final approval of Giga Berlin project. But the balance is still well on Tesla's side, probably on the scale of a few years even. The physical construction of Giga Berlin is probably no faster or slower than any other facility of comparable size and complexity in Germany or elsewhere. So what do you think, friends? Do you agree with this view? I think this is a very reasonable view that has merit, because Tesla was willing to take huge risk. Imagine if the final permit doesn't come for some reason and Tesla has to tear down the whole work of 2 years, all the expenses gone, and Tesla has deposited 100 million euros for that. But the biggest reason behind the speed of Giga Berlin in the local bureaucratic environment, I agree, is that Tesla was willing to proceed at that risk. So still, Tesla is in good timing. What do you think about this, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from Torque News YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. Merry, happy Christmas to all of you and your families. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. A lot of people complain about the speed of Tesla Giga Berlin for Germany, but I want to make one point, fair point for Germany and in defense of Germany. For Germany, Tesla Giga Berlin was lightning fast. I read one tweet today by a Twitter user BFINalka, and I will have that tweet on your screen, who says for Germany, this, meaning Tesla Giga Berlin, was lightning fast. It was not a nightmare that some people think it was a nightmare, but normal procedure for Germany. It may have been unexpected for some not familiar with how the German process usually works, including it may have been unexpected, including for Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO. Nevertheless, Tesla set an example on speed, otherwise will want to follow. Now, if you compare Tesla Giga Berlin's process with Berlin's airport, which was not functional for 10 years. And look, Tesla Giga Berlin, since the day of announcement, it's been already 2 years, and Tesla Giga Berlin started the construction very quickly, and it's nearing the final permit already. As I reported this morning, hopefully Germany will do something by the end of this year, within a week, but it is unlikely, and Tesla Giga Berlin may start the production in January or February. But again, for Germany, what we have seen happening at Tesla Giga Berlin was a lightning fast speed if you compare this with other things that Germany has done or other companies that have come to Germany. Like I said, because I've been following Tesla Giga Berlin for already 2 years and reporting some weeks every day and some weeks only maybe 2-3 stories from Giga Berlin. But as I'm looking at what was happening, I see that Germany has a normal process. Now, for us in the United States, it may seem like a red tape, bureaucracy, and so on. But look, maybe Germany has this red tape and this due process. That's why we all say, oh, German quality, German, everything in Germany is good quality, good engineering, and so on. Maybe this is how you achieve this. Now, I see the Tesla Giga of Texas seems to be much faster than Giga Berlin, but again, in Germany they have their own laws. It's a sovereign country, they have their processes, and if you want to do business there, I think someone needs to respect that. So what I'm saying, it's a due process, and nevertheless Tesla set an example on speed in Germany for others that they may want to follow. So what do you think about this, friends? Let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. By the way, this may be a little unrelated, but Chinese electric vehicle power battery giant CATL is analyzing 2 locations in Poland, which is next door to Giga Berlin, for a possible battery plant of up to 2 billion euros, according to a report in Polish newspaper Puls Biznesu today. And it said that the Tesla and NIO electric vehicle battery supplier CATL looked at site in Jawor and Gorzow Wielkopolski in western Poland, the report said, adding that most of the factory's output would be shipped to Germany, where Tesla has its Giga Berlin factory. When asked about the matter, CATL sources said they would not comment. According to Chinese media, CATL is the largest power battery manufacturer in China, electric vehicle battery manufacturer in China, with 11.45 gigawatt hour installed in China in November and a 55% market share, according to data released earlier this month by the Chinese Automotive Battery Innovation Alliance. So what do you think of this, friends? Do you think Tesla Giga Berlin set a good example for Germany? I think so. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for breaking discussions on Giga Berlin and Tesla and electric vehicles and EV batteries. And also give us thumbs up if you found this report helpful. And let's move on to our next Tesla and Panasonic are doing something really interesting that I think they should be taught in our junior college system, offering our young adults a great path to our electric vehicle future. So what happened? Before I get started, this is Armen Harayan, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up if you find this report helpful. So Tesla battery supplier Panasonic announced yesterday that it intends to build a new campus in Reno that will handle training, research and development, employee recruitment centers, and other support functions. It is located just 25 miles away from Gigafactory, Nevada, where Tesla builds battery cells, Model 3 electric motors, and battery packs, along with energy storage products. Panasonic announced the new building located at 645 East Plum Lane yesterday. It will be just under 95,000 square feet and will supplement the company's involvement in the growth of electric vehicle industry. It was first reported by Inside EVs. Our new facility in Reno underscores our commitment to involving and growing to stay at the forefront of the mobility market, President of Panasonic Energy of North America said. Investing in innovation and workforce initiatives in the local communities supports our mission of creating a future powered by sustainable energy. Well, this is what he said, and this is why I said that what Tesla and Panasonic are doing should be taught in junior colleges so that younger people know more about electric mobility and electric vehicles and learn how to make different things related to electrification of mobility. The announcement of Panasonic comes 7 years following Panasonic announced it would produce lithium-ion batteries at Gigafactory Nevada in Sparks, Nevada, just 25 miles east of the new facility. While operating at Gigafactory 1 will continue, PENA intends to take advantage of the Reno location to expand local engineering capacity and talent acquisition and upskilling, further propelling its position in the electric vehicle market. Panasonic wrote about the acquisition of the property. In September 2020, Panasonic announced that it would increase operations at Gigafactory Nevada, preparing for a massive ramp that would expand the company's presence at the plant. The expansion will increase our staffing by about 100 positions, Panasonic said, and added that we are excited to continue our investment in the Northern Nevada community and our people here. Carl Walton, Vice President of Production Engineering and Facilities of Panasonic, stated. Panasonic reported in its Q3 2021 earnings call that it had expanded global capacity for electric vehicle battery manufacturing to 50 gigawatt-hour. Panasonic builds around 37 gigawatt-hour of 2170 cylindrical cells at Gigafactory Nevada alone. Well, friends, what do you think about this? Do you think Tesla and Panasonic, what they do should be taught in junior colleges, and that more people need to learn what it involves to building electric vehicles? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, or if you have any concerns or questions, I go over them and I read them, so we have always good discussions. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here first time. God bless you, everyone. Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.